Where's he at though?
Huh?
There he is.
What's going on, everybody? Cord Empire here. You know, I lost the exhaust tip.
Oh yeah, I forgot you told me about that.
Fell off the freeway, I think.
Fell off or someone stole it.
Yeah, I heard that.
One of those two. But yeah.
These cars are known for that.
Getting stolen.
Yeah.
Little tip. But right now we're gonna go check out the fire, see what the damage was. If you guys don't remember, Pro Panda's house was right next to the fire. And if you guys can see over there, it's all burnt. And it's all burnt on that side. And it was starting to burn on that side. So we're gonna go check out some of the damage.
But look at the grass.
Yeah, but look at the grass, it's all green. The fertilizer.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. So yeah guys, it might be a little dark right now because it's pretty bright outside.
Yeah, it's pretty dark.
Look at that, Jesus Christ.
Oh, then the firefighters are all lined up there.
Oh yeah, I saw that, the little evacuation center.
Yeah.
But look at that, it's freaking insane.
It's all burned down. Look at that shit. It's all burned down right there.
It's freaking crazy.
It got real bad.
Isn't the fire station right here?
It's right here.
Oh shit, right here. Dude, that was like right next to their fire station. That's crazy.
I know, and they still survived, dude. Shit's crazy.
We were gonna let that burn. Damn, that thing's old. Do any houses burn, do you know?
I just went in Ortega's.
Oh, really?
But they saved all of our houses. It's crazy.
Yeah, because I remember when I came that day, I think I saw some footage. If I have some footage, I'll put it in the video.
Yeah.
Damn, that thing's huge.
Mira, está grande.
There's another one right there.
Aquí viene otro. Oh my God.
But I remember they were evacuating like all the houses up here, and then the day after, that's when they evacuated your house. So you guys had to leave. That's freaking crazy.
And it's crazy how this all survived, though.
Yeah, this is all.
If it would have gone here, we would have been fucked. Look how close it was to come here, dude.
That's funny. Look, it's all black on
It's
one
like
side,
half.
of that canyon or that little drain.
Yeah.
The other side's all green. Damn, that's freaking crazy.
Look, they're cleaning everything. These people are like dropping water and cleaning everything still.
Yeah, because I remember when we were here that day, like a lot of cars passing by would pick up all the like the ashes on the floor.
Yeah.
You can't even see the sky anymore. That's how bad it was that day, huh?
Yep.
Like the sky.
Look at that.
Oh.
This shit got burned.
It doesn't even look like there was plants on this mountain though. It looks like it was just like.
Yeah, it was only a bit, so it wasn't too bad. They like went all the way over here still, and then that's how it got to Corona.
Oh yeah, it's so funny. Look at all the grasses, dude. They're all green.
Yeah, they're all green.
I don't know these streets.
Oh, look, my friend who's selling the rims.
No way.
Yeah. Hey, I think he's here.
Is he here?
Let me see. Hey! Sell me your rims! Sell me your rims! He's listening to this. Let me see, Park. Sell me your rims. Whoa! Rabbit! Whoa! Wow! That's pretty nice. We're gonna do oil change right now. Yeah.
Later, bro.
Laters, man.
Later, man. Nice meeting you.
Laters.
Catch you guys later.
You too. Love you. Bruh. That's crazy, huh?
Whoa, that's insane. Did that little part where we took the truck through, did that burn? Do you know?
What?
Remember when we took the truck to that little like the dirt road? Did that burn or no?
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Nah. Maybe. Yeah, actually, yeah, I think it did. Yeah, it did.
Yeah, no, remember how we went this way?
Yeah, look, it did. We went that way. And look, right here's where we took our prom pictures. Remember? That shit burned too.
Oh, that's crazy.
Damn, look at that shit. Looks like fucking crazy, huh?
Yeah, that's insane. Everything just burned, didn't leave anything.
Looks all sad and depressed.
That's crazy, dude.
Smells nasty. Over here still smells nasty. Yep, so what do you think, Junior?
That's crazy, that's sketchy. That's way too close to the house. Look at that, like it stopped right there and then literally there's houses right here.
Yep. He didn't think that was too close. He's like, nah.
I didn't know it was that close. I mean, I remember it was like by our house, but I don't remember like when we left after that day. Remember how I went to Vegas and then you guys came over that night?
Yeah.
That's freaking crazy.
He's like,
right here you can see how close it got to this house.
yo, yeah, look, it got burned here. Also got burned here too in the forest, in the trail. Have you ever walked this trail? Yeah, look at this shit. It got burned all here. It was like super cool. I don't know how that tree didn't catch on fire.
Yeah.
That shit's like crazy part. We're like working till like 2 a.m. Yeah?
You think I'll make it up?
Yeah, you'll make it up.
Over that little speed bump?
You just let me get off the car. And let me get my fat ass out of here. Come on, Junior, you just could do a bad angle. Ah! Angle it, bitch. More over here, more over here. Ah! You're not angling enough. Angle. Turn all the way right. All the way right. All the way right. Yeah, yeah. Go all the way. All the way. That's all the way. Ooh, 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 ooh. You made it, bitch. I told you. Hey. Hey. Huh? That's what she said.
Yeah, so today we're actually be doing an oil change on Panda's car. As you guys can see, we're trying to cool down the motor because it's pretty hot. So, and it's really hot outside too. But as you guys can see, good thing is we don't need to do anything to get the car lifted. Just gotta get the jack underneath there. On my car, on the other hand, we would have to raise it on bricks first. But on his car, it's gonna be pretty easy, so.
Alright.
Yeah, okay guys, so apparently out of all the tools, Panda still doesn't have a jack stand, or a jack. So we gotta use the car one, but look at this. Hey.
Yeah. Nice and easy, huh?
Oh, it's funny, dude.
Is that it?
Yeah, I think we can get it underneath. Okay guys, so we have the car all jacked up. So now what we're gonna do next is drain the oil. And it's his Panda's first time changing his oil on his own, right? So he's gonna learn a little something today. Brought this to drain the oil into. So now that we got the car all jacked up, as you guys can see, we can go underneath, and his bolt to drain his oil is right there, which, oops, there it is.
What are you doing?
Huh?
Let me see.
So you see this right here?
Yeah.
Engine oil, and then there's your bolt right here we're gonna have to loosen.
Oh, what's leaking?
What do you mean?
I don't know, that's supposed to be leaking. This thing?
Yeah, we're gonna bolt that.
And that's it?
Yeah.
And that releases the oil?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Can I give people $70 to do it for me?
I do mine on my own, it's easy.
Bruh.
The only hard thing is getting your oil filter, which, oh, it's right here. That's easy. How convenient.
Where?
It's right here.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
How you do? You just unscrew it like that by hand?
Yeah, I just unscrew it.
By hand?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yep.
That's it.
Yeah. What do you mean that's it?
People charge me $70 for that shit.
Yeah.
Bruh.
I don't know why you're paying people to do something you can do yourself.
Bruh.
It's easy.
I've been giving it free money. Bruh. Shit. I'm not even playing, dude.
Huh?
I'm not even playing. What the fuck did he do? Like.
I got it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nah. Ow.
Oh, my bad. Here.
Oh shit.
Or we can just do what Randy does and just drop it.
What did he do?
Remember every time he does an oil change, he just drops it and lets all the oil fall?
Oh my god. Dude, I'm scared. Show me how to do it first.
What do you mean? Just twist it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get burned.
Come in from this side then.
Ow.
What do you, dude, it's not even that hot.
The oil's gonna be hot.
You barely even touched it.
Bruh. Where'd it go? Wait, it's gonna be hot?
Do you have a glove?
Watch the boat fall. Oh!
Did it touch you?
Yeah. Oh, we suck.
Did it burn you?
Yeah, but I didn't feel it.
Okay, so we got the wheel off, so make it a little bit easier. Now he's gonna take off his oil filter, which is in there. You can see. So just pull your the oil this up. Pull it this way. Yeah. And then just turn that.
Over here?
Yeah, that's fine. And now you can take that out. Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Put some gloves on or something, so you're gonna get your hands dirty.
It's too late for that. You like that, huh?
Oh shit. Did it drip into the oil?
Yeah.
Yeah, just drop it in there. Just drop it in there. You're fine. Yeah.
Junior?
Yep.
So I was paying $70 for this bullshit?
Wow. So that'll be $70, Alex? Look at his little smile.
Bruh.
No, I'm just kidding. He bought me coffee. So I think you can call it even.
That's not the only thing I gave you.
Ooh, they don't need to know the rest.
So gay.
But that was pretty easy. His oil filter came out pretty easy. His bolt was a little bit hard, but came out.
What the fuck did tighten it with?
I think the hardest thing to take out was his tire. Huh.
Yeah. I wonder what they tightened it with. Probably with the air one, huh?
Probably.
That shit was tight as fuck. Where are you, little bitch?
Alex, right there, where your hand is.
Oh!
It literally says engine oil.
I'm like, where are you, bitch? Yeah, nice and snug. Yeah. It has to be tight, huh?
Not too tight, but tight enough to where it won't leak. And that's why we put some of that thread tape. You think it's good right there? I think you're good right there. Yeah, you're good right there. Watch out for your head, dude. There's oil right next to your head.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Oh shit. You didn't tell me.
I did right now.
Oh yeah, huh? Ew.
Remember when I got the axle grease on my head?
Yeah, that was disgusting.
That was nasty. It looked like diarrhea. That was gross.
That day you're angry.
I was pissed we couldn't get the axle out. If you guys didn't know, I had to replace the axle in my car, and let me tell you, it's probably one of the most stressful days of my life because the axle came out like that part, but there was a little tiny bit that still got inside, stuck inside. And it took us literally like 4 hours to get it out, huh?
Yeah.
We had to make like a, what was it called? The the sliding hammer or whatever it's called. That tool. Took us forever to get out. Mobile 1 oil filter. Whoop. You're gonna fill it up with a little bit of oil.
Okay, I'm gonna drop it in my engine. Wow. I forgot how you set this.
I'll figure out in a second. Go.
Turn it on?
Yeah. Turn it on.
Is it leaking? Huh? Seems cool?
You know what, to be honest, I think this tire might be going flat.
Why?
Because the other day I had to go refill it.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. And look, it looks like really flat right now.
That looks tiny.
Air it out.
You sure?
Yeah. Oh, there's your lip. You're good right there. Stop.
What was that?
Your bumper.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
What happened?
It fell out. It came off.
Oh shit.
So you can go low on these wheels.
Wait a minute, I think I can go lower, huh?
Probably. It's just the wheels are running right now.
Wait, so it's probably the rims that don't make me slam all the way down, huh?
Probably.
Cause if that bend back, that means I could go lower, huh? Cause I still have a lot to go.
Yeah, it does look really small, huh?
I thought your wheel broke, bro. I got so scared.
That's it?
Got me thinking now.
Damn, guys, so this is Pearl Panda's car would look like if he had smaller tires. And these are actually my wheels on his car right now. What do you guys think? Do you think he should get a different tire setup on his car?
And it'll look lower too about the lip.
Yeah, right now he took off the lip because with the lip on it wouldn't lower anymore. It would just take off his bumper. That looks pretty cool though. I like how it looks. I was just telling him that if he gets wheels like this, he needs to get spacers or something or a little bit more because as you guys can see, it's not exactly perfect fitment. To push it out a little bit more out that way. But overall, I think it looks pretty cool. Dude, my tire is about to go flat. I don't know what's wrong with this tire, guys, but recently I've started to notice that it's starting to get flat for some reason. Look at that. I refilled it the other day, and for some reason it's just this back tire. So I don't know if it's a bad tire or I have a leak somewhere or what, but I need to go get that checked out again, honestly.
Damn, Junior, what the fuck? That looks way better.
I got my tire fixed. Hopefully, temporarily. Filled it up with there. And hopefully it should hold. And we got Panda's car oil change done. So, got a lot done today. And then we got a workout in, huh?
Yep.
And that's pretty much it. So, I don't know what else to say.
That's it.
That's it. Deuces.